Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX01 adjustable wheelbase Link version kit build series. In this part of the build series we are going to go over the transmission, which would be the gearbox and the transfer case. For step 3 you'll need the following parts. You'll need these parts right here. These parts are all from bag H, that's labeled gearbox. You'll need the hardware from bag D. That's for the gearbox and transfer case. You'll also need the black graphite grease. For step 3.1, you'll need the following parts. You also need 4 M2x5 countersunk screws and 1 M2.5x8 countersunk screw. This is a 5x11x4 bearing. This other one is a 7x11x3 bearing. And that completes step 3.1, installing the spur gear into the gearbox. Step 3.2 is the assembly of this gear set right here, but it comes pre-installed out of the box, so you don't need to worry about it. It's all completed, and that would be step 3.2. For step 3.3, you'll need the following parts right here. You'll also need 6 5x11x4 bearings. You'll need 4 5x8 0.5 push spacers, 4 5x8 0.1 spacers, these 2 M3 E clips, these 4 M2.5 by 10 cap head screws, and you'll also need the graphite grease. Now take 2 of the thicker spacers, now take 3 of these really thin spacers, and a 5x11 5x4 bearing. This is what that assembly should look like. Oh, and just like that, made a mess. Okay. Here is what that assembly should look like. Let's rotate everything and give it a good greasing. And we can go ahead and close it up with these 4 screws. That completes step 3.3, and that completes the gearbox portion of this part of the series. And we'll move on to the transfer case. For step 4, the transfer case, we'll need the following parts. You'll need the transfer case housing. You'll need all these parts from the transfer case bag G. There's some of the hardware from bag D previously. These are 5 M2x8 cap head screws. These are 2 2x8 pins. These are the 0.5 spacers, the 5x8 by 0.5, and this is a 4x7 by 0.5 spacer. You also need the graphite grease. And that completes step 4, the transfer case. For step 5, we'll be putting the transmission onto the chassis. So you'll need the chassis, you'll need the gearbox and transfer case. You'll need 4 M3x8 button head screws, 1 M3x6 countersunk screw, and 1 M3x10 countersunk screw. Alright, and that wraps it up. That is the completion of step 5, mounting the transmission onto the chassis rail. And that completes this part of the build series, the transmission. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Boom Racing BRX01 adjustable wheelbase link version kit build series. Thanks for watching.